Hi guys, it's Ruby Patchouli. Thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Come along with me on my journey with my first curly hair wash day routine of 2022. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is Ruby Patchouli here. Today this video is going to be my 2022 curly wash day. What my hair really needs right now is a pre-pooing treatment and a scalp treatment because my scalp has been flaky. First thing I'm gonna do, my pre-pooing treatment. What is the pre-pooing treatment? It's just a treatment you do before shampooing. Now I'm going to do an oil treatment. That's how I'm gonna pre-poo. So I'm gonna take you with me into the bathroom so you can see how I pre-poo. I'm sectioning my hair in 4 parts. I don't want to cause any breakage when I am applying my oil because I'm also going to be detangling at the same time. Now I'm using coconut oil. I'm also using flaxseed oil because it is linked to hair growth. Rosemary oil is linked to hair growth as well because it works a lot like minoxidil, which stimulates the hair follicles so they can grow. Peppermint oil also does the same. I use castor oil. What I like to do is put all my oils in a bottle that has a little nozzle so it's just easier distributed. Right now I'm actually going to first put rosemary oil directly on my scalp. It is much easier doing this in the mirror. So it is on my scalp right now. I'm gonna rub it in. Now I'm gonna start with one section at a time. I'm gonna take some coconut oil, saturate, and then I'm gonna go in with my oil concoction. I have rinsed off the oils that were in my hair for when I was pre-pooing, and I'm gonna start on my scalp treatment. Now I'm gonna do an apple cider rinse. I don't normally do this all the time. I try to do this like once a month. The way that I do this is I just get a spray bottle. I put in 75% water and 25% apple cider vinegar. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm washed and I'm finally ready to complete this curly hair routine. The video started off with me pre-pooing. So I pre-pooed first with some oils. I washed my hair. I did a scalp treatment and an apple cider rinse, and I also did a deep conditioner. Now I'm finally ready to start putting my styling products in. I've had some malfunctions throughout this entire video, but finally I think everything's set. The first thing I'm gonna do is put in my leave-in conditioner, which I have in this bottle right here. Now what I have in here is the Cantu leave-in conditioner mixed with water. I love the Cantu leave-in conditioner. It can be a little heavy, which is why it's great to dilute it. It moisturizes my hair a lot. The way I start is I just re-wet my hair. When you style your hair, you want your hair to be well saturated. I can't wait to see the results I get with this wash day because I really gave my hair some TLC. My hair is low porosity, and what that means, my hair takes a little longer to absorb moisture, which is why I'm using more moisturizing product. Whoever's watching this, low porosity means that it takes your hair a little longer to absorb moisture. Medium porosity means that your hair absorbs moisture pretty well, and then high porosity means that your hair absorbs too much moisture. I have my leave-in. The defining cream that I'm going to use is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. Locks in moisture, defrizzes, and adds shine to define your true curls with rice curl complex. That means is that this product has protein. Protein is going to help your hair to curl better. Directions: on damp hair, apply a small amount evenly from root to end, adding more as needed. Ingredients: has keratin, amino acid, water, shea butter, very moisturizing. I've used this a few times. The reason why I'm using this now is because the mousse that I'm going to use is also Not Your Mother's. That's what I'm going to cocktail with, and I'm also going to use another Not Your Mother's product. It is Plump Your Joy Thickening Hair Lifter. Volumizes, strengthens, and gives you luxurious shine. For best results, spray into palm, rub hands together, and then scrunch into hair from ends to root. Style as usual. Right now I'm gonna spray some on my palm, rub together, and scrunch in. I'm gonna start putting my defining cream. And I'm gonna work in sections because I want a very voluminous look, but I want my hair to be defined as well. And I want all of my hair strands to be down. I have a hard time with some of my hair strands coming up. So I'm just raking the product in here. This is about how much I'm applying per section. Now wherever you have damage, try to really work the product there. Wherever your hair doesn't really curl as easy as the rest of your hair does. When you're raking, try to rake away from the scalp. It can create some tension, which helps with definition. All I'm doing here is taking my detangle brush and just brushing upward. Same motion you would do like if you're using the Denman brush. This is the tricky part, the front of your hair. When you're doing this, right, make sure that you are styling your hair the way that you want your hair to look at the end. Because let's say I do a middle part, right, and that's how I apply my products, like this, right? Once my hair is dry, everything's good, and I want to now part it over here or not have a part, it's not going to go well. It's going to mess up your curls. So just make sure that you decide how you want your hair to fall. So for me, I want it to fall like this. I'm gonna use this brush. I do have the Denman brush. However, I'm not crazy about the Denman brush. It doesn't work for me. And you know what? That's okay. Now let's do this part. The front of my hair is always the most high maintenance. Very annoying. One thing that I want to tell you guys is that if you ever have a section of your hair that you don't like the way it looks, or your curls aren't curling like the rest of your hair, just finger coil, which is what I'm gonna do. So you can do it like this, right? Or do it like this as well. Another way is doing it under, like this. And then you just let this fall the way it's gonna fall. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna finger coil the rest of this area and I'll be back to show you guys how I'm gonna apply the mousse. Alright, so I'm back. I finger coiled the front of my hair and now I'm about to apply the mousse. This is going to be my hold step. I'm gonna use this for hold instead of gel. I don't really like using gel since I have very fine hair and low density. Gel doesn't work well for me. It weighs my hair down. But mousse, however, is amazing. It makes my hair flourish. Now, this is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. It says it's going to give you lasting shine and definition, humidity protection for frizz-free curls, which is great because it's raining in LA. And the hold is a number 2. Directions: shake vigorously, dispense upside down into hand, start at roots and work evenly through curls. Style as usual, safe for natural and color treated hair, which is very good. Okay, it has no sulfate surfactants, no silicones, no alcohol, no dyes, no parabens. Product is almost done for me, which is why I want to use it, because I want to finish it off. Because if you guys don't know, products don't last forever. The shelf life is usually 12 months. If it's been more than 12 months, I suggest you throw your products out because products can go bad and they can hurt your hair. Let's do this. Yeah, there's not a lot left in here. We're gonna make do. Okay, this is the consistency. It's thicker than other mousses, which I love. So start at the roots. Gonna put it like this. Now the amount that I distributed to my hand is all I'm gonna use because my hair is not long. I don't want to put too much product since I've already put a defining cream. You heard that sound? That's a good sound. That's what you want. That's enough for the mousse. I'm gonna dry this. Now comes the diffusing process. So this is the hair dryer that I've been using. It is the Dyson. And honestly, for the amount of money that this was, I do, however, enjoy the design of it. I think it's really nice. I like that this is magnetic, but for $400 and plus, is it really worth it? The way that I'm gonna diffuse my hair is I'm gonna do the hover technique. When I first start to dry my hair, the settings that I use are low fan, low heat, right? So dry, maybe like 95% dry. I haven't scrunched the cast out yet, and I also have not put my sealing oil yet, and I will now. So the sealing oil that I'm going to be using today is Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. Usually I use jojoba oil. This oil does have silicone, which is why I never purchased it, but it came in the set with number 4, number 5, and number 3, so I get to try it. So this is how I'm scrunching the cast, just breaking it up. Okay, now I'm gonna separate these curls. They're clumped up right now. In order to get a lot of volume, you want to try and separate these curls. So you see these, like, go and separate them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be back because this video is already very long. I'll make another video showing you guys exactly how I separate the clumps, okay? So I want to show you guys one side of unclumping my curls and the other side where I haven't touched them yet. So look, this is the volume that you get after you unclump the curls. These are the final results. What do you guys think? I have a lot of volume. I like this. I have bangs that I'm trying to grow out. No matter what I do, they always come out. I was hoping that it would come out like this, but my bangs don't want to stay. Let's see. Okay, this is the way that my hair wants to be, so this is how it's gonna be. I wanted to talk about the products I used to achieve this look. I like it. I have a lot of volume. It's touchable, soft curls, which I love. What I used was Mizani Wonder Cream Scalp Foaming Pre-Cleanse for all hair textures. And then what I used was the apple cider vinegar rinse. This works as a clarifying shampoo. This is what I use to clarify my hair with. After that, I used the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture shampoo and conditioner. These smell these smell so good. I love them. They're very moisturizing. I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey&Yogurt Hydrate+Repair Protein Power Treatment. I will link these down below. And then for my styling products, I use the Cantu leave-in conditioner. What I normally do, because it's very thick consistency and sometimes that can wear my hair down, I put it in a spray bottle with water and I mix it up. That's how I apply it to my hair and it works wonders. I also use this to refresh my curls. And then I use the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line to style my hair today. I use 3 products. Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter. I'm not crazy about this. Yes, I have volume, but this did not give it to me. How do I know this? Because when I do my hair, I usually get this volume anyway. Now, what I did like, however, what I love, what I've used a few times and it's almost gone, are these 2 products. They're from the Curl Talk line. This is the defining cream. This is the mousse. And I put this on first and then I put the mousse on. If you want something with more hold, I wouldn't suggest this mousse. To seal it, I use the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. It's not moisturizing enough for me. It's kind of dry. I think I like my oils to be a little bit more greasy. Those are the products I use. If you are transitioning, just have patience. In order to have a good wash day, it starts with a healthy scalp. Also, a good haircut, ladies. If you have damage, if you have some hairs that aren't curling right, like on the bottom, some heat damage, cut it off. I know it hurts to cut your hair. Trust me, I know I hate cutting my hair, but if you want to have good hair days, it starts with a good haircut first. Stay tuned for some more videos. If there's anything specific that you would like for me to talk about, please leave it down in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hope you liked the content that you saw today, and enjoy the rest of your day.